Now we'll be looking briefly about pressure measurement. Instruments that detect and measures the pressure changes are called barometers. Barometers are literally means and instruments that measures the bars. So a bars is a unit of pressure that describes a force over a given area. The bar is relatively large unit, and we know that surface pressure changes are normally in a smaller amount. The unit of the pressure commonly found on surface weather map is we call millibar. So 1 bar is equal to 1000 millibar. A common pressure unit that we used in aviation, that is inches of mercury, this is called Hg, and at the sea level, standard sea level pressure is 1013.25 millibar, or we can say 29.92 inches, and in aviation inches of mercury we call it 76 centimeter. The unit of the pressure designated by the international system we call SI system, that is Pascal. So 1 Pascal is equal to very tiny of the millibar. So 100 Pascal is equal to 1 millibar. Sometime we say 1 hectopascal is equal to 1 millibar. And this, if you look at this left side of this slide, you will see that atmospheric pressure in inches of mercury and in millibar, and the right side of the picture is telling you the mercury barometer, the height of the mercury column is a measure of atmospheric pressure. Now, why do we use mercury, not using the water? Because you must know that mercury is the densest liquid on earth. So mercury is actually 13.5 times denser than the water. So if we would have used water as a barometer, so we should have used a long tube, so 13.5 times longer than the barometric pressure tube. So in here, atmospheric pressure pushed down on the mercury, and that mercury readings is telling us the atmospheric pressure right now in the outside.